Just imagine 3,000 years ago on this plaza, people would be gathered listening to their priests, telling them the message that was brought down from the gods. This site was ruled by priests as opposed to kings. So that's what makes this little site unique. When guests come here to Altun, the first plaza that they step on, it was a ceremonial place. People go touching the stones, feeling a sense of being one with the Mayas. Some people come because it's of a spiritual thing to them. It is a very powerful feeling being here. Altun, a small site, but a lot of riches.